In the dimly lit village hut, an old lamp stands as the focal point, its light casting eerie shadows across the worn walls. Ali stares intently at the lamp, his expression thoughtful, as if contemplating its secrets. The lamp flickers, a subtle dance of light and shadow, adding to the room's mystique. Ali breaks the silence, his voice a soft murmur in the dimly lit space. People say this lamp is magical. His gaze intensifies, a hint of skepticism in his eyes as he continues his thought. But I believe the real magic lies within the human heart, Ali concludes, his voice resonating with conviction. Ahmad bursts into the hut, his face a mask of deep worry, eyes darting frantically. Ali turns, his face etched with concern. "What's wrong, Ahmad Bhai? You seem so down." Ahmad's voice cracks with despair. "There's nothing left, Ali. No courage, no hope." Ali's eyes shine with determination. "As long as there is breath, there is hope. Have faith." A sudden, intense glow emanates from the lamp, pulling their gaze upward. "The lamp! It's lit up!" In the dim square, villagers huddle, their faces a canvas of sorrow. Ali's voice rings out, a beacon in the gloom. "The lamp may be gone, but we don't need it anymore. We will be the light for each other," Ali declares. Nods ripple through the crowd as the villagers begin to assist each other. The montage shows villagers working in unison, sharing food. Warmth and renewed hope bloom as the village rebuilds.